In this video, I will show you how to share your live location on WhatsApp. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is to open the WhatsApp app on our phone. Once you do, go ahead and open up the chat where you want to share your location. I'm just going to go ahead and use myself as an example. What you're going to do is tap on the plus icon that you see right here on the bottom left. Then you're going to select location. And here you have two options. You can either just share your current location or you can also share your live location. Meaning that if you go to different places, the person is going to be able to see your live location as you move. So I'm going to go ahead and select share live location. And you can also select for how long you want to share your live location. You can either do it for 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours. Once you're done, go ahead and tap right here on the bottom right. Once you do, your live location will appear in the chat and this person will be able to track your location on real time. Hope that helps.